Malema, Malema. The case number is case RC 109/16. The accused is appearing before this honorable court for the first time, Your Worship. And may I hand over the charge sheet to the honorable court. The accused at this stage, Your Worship, is represented by Mr. Tumi Mokwena. And Your Worship, we would like to address this honorable court.
Mr. Mokwena.
Thank you, Your Worship. Your Worship, indeed, I appear for the accused. Your Worship, we have already conveyed the following message to advocate for the state, that we intend to imminently bring an application in the High Court to declare section. This statute is a 1956 statute whose preamble, for instance, reads that it is to regulate tensions between European and non-European citizens. We certainly do not have scope and patience for such pronouncements that we are in, and we find it funny that the state would have dug up some 1956 statutes to charge the accused and were approaching the High Court for an order to declare it invalid and unconstitutional. And Your Worship, since this matter can only be adjudicated at that level, we then have sought to make a request that this matter be postponed for 6 months, so that this court can also keep an eye on those proceedings to see to it that we have indeed filed the application and we are indeed prosecuting our application as aforesaid. And the date that we have arranged with state representatives for the state is the 5th of May 2017. That's exactly 6 months to the date. And that provisionally the matter be postponed to the 7th of December this year, on condition that Mr. Malema should not appear on that day, so on condition that he would have provided the state with proof that he has filed his application as aforesaid. So in other words, we have two days, the 7th of December. 16 is the provisional date. To indicate to this court and the state that we have filed our application. Secondly, another provisional date, the 5th of May 2017.
That will not be a trial date.
That will not be a trial date.
Even if your application is unsuccessful.
Indeed, in the unlikely event that it's unsuccessful, we'll then set a trial date. If it has succeeded, obviously, my lord, the matter will then not proceed. Thank you.
And what is the arrangement or the agreement, if any, with regard to the 7th of December as to the appearance of the accused?
That should he have provided proof to the state that he has filed his application, that he then be spared the pain of appearing on the 7th of December. If that suits the court.
Mr. Mlocho, are you in agreement with that?
As a court, this is Your Worship, we are in agreement with that the matter postponed provisionally to the 7th of December 2016 this year, Your Worship, in order to see to it that the application is filed. The accused will have to appear before this honorable court so that the trial date can be arranged. If the application is filed by the 7th of December 2016, Your Worship, then we will ask that the matter be postponed in the accused's absence, Your Worship, to the 5th of May 2017, Your Worship. If that suits the court, Your Worship, that is what we are asking for.
Yes. Fine.
And the accused, Your Worship, is on warning. He may remain out on warning.
Okay.
Thank you.
Mr. Malema, you understand the arrangements?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Malema, this matter is then postponed until the 7th of December this year. If your application is filed, if proof is provided that your application is filed by the 7th of December, you need not appear on that day, but you are warned to appear again as court on the 5th of May next year at 8:30 in the morning. You understand?
Yes.
Okay.
As a court basis. Thank you, Your Worship.
Can we?
Your Worship, if the court may adjourn.
We will adjourn.
Thank you, Your Worship.
Can I just keep it, please? In place, because I know they will leave. I know that's what always happens. Yes, and they give it to me. Yes. Yes, it is with me, exactly. This is like if you can just write tomorrow. Yes, it's just